What's going on, guys? So for today we're going to be installing the turbo inlet from VRSF, and this right here I've heard that is really good for the turbo and will allow us to be at like 420 wheel horsepower, custom tuned. So this is major right here. All right, so first step, we're going to unplug this sensor right over here that's right on top of the intake. Then just unscrew this bolt right over here and your intake should be able to pop right off, like just like that. Bam. All right, so next we're gonna have to remove this whole piece right over here. We're gonna have to unplug. We're gonna have to take this bolt out right here, which should be around a 10 millimeter. Take these two out, which should be 1015 or T20s, and then just disconnect this right here, and then we should be all good to go. Obviously unplug this too. Grab a little tool pick and then you should be able to pop the sensor right out. All right, so once that's out, we only got right down there, which seems to be at 10 millimeter as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out, and then the inlet should be able to just come right out. All right, so the inlet is out. So you can just see right here on both sides how this right here comes in hella small compared to the VRSF one, which this will allow us to go past with way more air through the turbo. Alright, so now this came right here with the package with the inlet. Let's just install these O-rings right here, which is going to be connected down to the turbo, and then just make sure it's fitting properly so we don't have any boost leaks, and then we should be done. Alright, so I went ahead and lined everything up. I made sure it's really tight in there. Inlet fits perfectly, super snug in there. We should be all good to go. Alright, now that you put everything back together, I'm just gonna go ahead and start up the car. Don't forget to plug in back your sensor right here and the one on top, and then make sure that every bolt that you took out to put back in as well. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, this car is all good. Perfect. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that on the stock inlet, you guys gotta take out right here that little rubber, it's kind of like an O-ring fitting. You just put it back on the VRSF one and put the stock piping, this piping back in, and so there's no leaks in anything. So you guys should be good and straight to go.